Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool card arrangement technique. This arrangement technique makes the deck of cards looks like a shuffle deck of cards, but it's actually arranged and it's a secret arrangement so that you know the position of each and every card except for your audience. And this is actually called the Si Stebbins Card stacking, and we are going to see how this card stacking is done and the uses of this card stacking. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how this card the card stacking is actually done. Now first, before doing the card stacking, all you have to do is separate each and every suits and then arrange them in this order from ace to king. So this is the hearts section. We have the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king, right? So each and every suits are set up just like that, as you can see, right? And yes, same with the diamonds and same with the spades. Now all you have to do is arrange this in chased order, which is CHASED, which is clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. And yes, if you remember the word chased, you will remember the arrangement that is clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. So we put the clubs at first, then the hearts, then the spades, then the diamonds. And then what we need to do is we need to take the ace of clubs, put it on the top. Then we are going to add 3 to ace. Ace value is 1 and 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So from the next, that is the heart section, we are going to take ace, 2, 3 and 4 and put them on the top of the hearts. Now we have 4 here and 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So we are going to take ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then we are going to put them on the top of this spades. And 7 plus 3 equals to 10, which means we have to take ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and put all of this on top of this pack, and then we are set. Now what we have to do is we have to take one card from here, one card from here, then one card from here, then one card from here and make them a stack just like this. So the first card goes from here, the second one goes from here, the third one goes from here and the fourth one goes from here. So we are going to continue this and I'm going to first fast forward it. So let's do this. Diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. Now we have this entire deck of cards in the Si Stebbins card stacking. Now it looks pretty much mixed up, but this is actually not mixed up. Each and every card that is present in this deck of cards is actually related to the to its adjacent card. That means if we have taken this card into account, that is this one, the king of spades, then the next card would be king plus 3. Now as the king is the last card, we are going to take the 3. That means we are going to have the next card's value is 3, and since it is the spades, the next card would be clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. So that next card will be 3 of diamonds. So that is it, the 3 of diamonds. And if we are going to look at the card that is before the king of spades, that will be king minus 3 and the suit will be clubs, hearts, spades. So the suit will be a heart one and king minus 3 is 10, that is 10 of hearts. So you can see that this card is 10 of hearts. So each and every card is closely related with each and every cards that are present in this deck, and these cards are related with their adjacent card, and all these cards now are in the Si Stebbins stack, and you can literally know what is the position of each and every card. Like after your spectator cuts the deck from a certain point, you will be able to recognize that what is the point from which your spectator has cut, because at that point you're going to be able to recognize the card that is present when the spectator is going to cut the deck. For example, let's say the spectator cuts the deck from this point. Now if you look at this card, that is the 5, okay, so we are going to add 3 to this card, that is 5 plus 3 equals to 8, and since this is the diamonds, that is the last suit, we are going to start off with the clubs again. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8 of clubs. The next card would be 8 of clubs, and you're going to know that. So that is how you're actually going to know each and every card's position in this deck. Now your spectator can cut this deck as many times as they want, but they can give only one cut each time and then complete it. Otherwise the whole stack will be damaged. And yes, as long as they just give one cut and complete it, you're going to do this. This deck actually retains the stack order, the Si Stebbins stacking order, and you're actually going to use this technique, use this deck again for any Si Stebbins card trick. There are many card tricks that you can do with this Si Stebbins card stacking, but one of the most famous card tricks is mentalism. Since if your spectator cuts from a random point in the deck of cards, for example, let's say your spectator cuts at this point, what you're going to do is you're just going to peek at the bottom card, and then you're able to figure out what is the next card. Okay, so this is the hearts, and we have the 8 plus 3 equals 11, and 11 is jack, and after hearts we know the chased order: clubs, hearts, spades. So after hearts it comes spades, so jack of spades will be this card, and you're actually going to know what this card will be, and that is how you're going to read your spectator's mind. So doing mentalism is a good trick using Si Stebbins card trick, and this is actually the entire stacking that I just showed you, the entire way of doing the card stack. And yes, it's pretty much lengthy, but yes, if you can stack these cards in the Si Stebbins card trick, you can do many card tricks. There are many card tricks, and I'll be making tutorials progressively. So that's it for today's tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card stacking technique called the Si Stebbins card stacking. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Shwel_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a really savage channel. I post funny videos over there. I'll leave a link to that channel in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes.